If you're somebody who's suffering from dark underarms, then in this video, I'm going to give you a list of causes of dark underarms. If you thought poor hygiene is the reason for dark underarms, well, no, I'll put it at the last of my list. And you'll be amazed to see what all things are reflecting on an area as underarms in the form of darkness. First is friction. Say suppose if you're obese and there's a friction or a rubbing of the skin in between your underarms, like your arms or maybe the chest, then definitely the skin is getting occluded. You can have dark underarms because of the friction. Second is deodorants and antiperspirants containing alcohol and fragrances. It's very common to get irritation because of the fragrances and the chemicals which they use in the deodorants. So be aware of them. Third is acanthosis nigricans. It's a metabolic condition in which there is insulin resistance and you actually get darker, thick and velvety kind of a skin in all the occluded areas of the body mostly, and underarms is a part of it. It's very distinctly velvety and you can see a dark patch there, and mostly it happens in diabetes, obesity, hormonal imbalance and PCOD. It's a very common condition nowadays. So if in case you are seeing a very distinct darkness on that area in the underarm, acanthosis nigricans can be one of the causes. The other superficial causes may be bacterial infection, like if you have folliculitis or if you have swelling of the oil glands or maybe an infection called as erythrasma in the underarm, you can have darker shade happening as a residual component too. You can have repeated fungal infections, which is also because of a fungal bug recovering and leaving the skin much more darker. So superficial infections like bacteria and fungus can definitely lead to that. Genetics is main cause. Also, we have seen people, parents with darker underarms can have hormonal imbalance, PCOD, pregnancy, menopause, or people undergoing hormonal treatments for various causes can definitely have darker underarms. Another one is drugs. If you're on insulin, steroids, or maybe oral contraceptive hormonal pills, then you can definitely develop underarms as a darker skin. And last but not the least is poor hygiene. So these are a list of about 9 to 10 causes. Skin is a reflection of what is happening inside the body and on the skin surface. And if in case you feel it's a very distinct darkness you can see on the underarms, then refer to these causes and connect to your dermatologist as soon as possible. Do share, like and subscribe to my channel because here we put content which is great for good skin.